Hi everybody, welcome to another render demo video tutorial. I'm here with Cora, and we're going to be doing Gunter from the movie Sing 2. So let's get started. Grab yourself a piece of paper with a pencil and Sharpie.
And don't forget markers so you can color in the drawing.
Yes. Okay, so with your pencil, this one's a little bit complicated, so we want to use a pencil to start out. The first thing you want to do is let's draw like a circular shape like this up over here. Like this, where his shoulders are going to be at an angle. So his shoulder on this side's low and on this side it's high. So do a light angle like that. Yep. And then what we're going to do is we're going to come down at an angle. So we're going to come down here. Yep. And then we're going to come down like this. And then over here, yep, right about here, we'll just do kind of like a curved shape like that. That's it. And then let's do one of his legs kind of sticking out to the left like this. That's it. And then on this side, we can do another one like that. And then his arm, we'll have his arm coming this way. And this arm over here is going to be kind of straight down. Okay, so let's go back to the head area here. So to start, let's start off by drawing a line down the center, straight up and down. Okay, and then we can draw a line, another one going in this direction here. Excellent. So you can kind of see where we're going to start placing things. Now, before we do this, let's draw his head correctly, because it's not an actual circle, because Gunter's head is more of like a pear shape. So what we're going to do is, if you extend this up a little bit, we're going to do almost like a pear. So the top is round, like a little bit of almost following the circle, right? And then as you go down, okay, right about here, you want to start turning, and the bottom of his head's going to be really like this. Look how wide it is. Okay, so it's going to be wider down here than it is at the top. Top's going to be not as round. And then you can do the same on this side. You can come out and round down there like that. Okay, and see how it's getting kind of messy with all the pencils? It's okay. Yeah, you can erase like Cora's doing. How's it going?
Good.
So next thing, let's start with the nose now. So in the middle of these two lines here, we'll draw a round shape that's kind of like an egg laying on its side.
Yeah, because it wouldn't be a pig without a nose.
Right. And then inside of his nose, you can do two smaller circles like that. Okay. Now up here, we're going to go up a little bit, almost halfway, somewhere about here. And on the left side, we'll draw like an L shape that's lying down. And then we'll do the reverse towards the other side. Yep. And then for the eye, we can do this like small, like rectangular shape like this.
For the eyes?
Yep. And then the rectangle, you can almost have, like on this side, you can kind of point it. They don't have to be touching. And then you can draw some round eyes inside there. Okay. Now we can go and draw his mouth. All right. So over here, we can start on the left side, and we'll come down like this, and it'll stop. It's not going to be identical. You can stop a little bit shorter on the right side if you want, because he's kind of like smirking a little bit, you know? His mouth is off to the side a little bit. And we can use this brush here, hun, to get rid of all that. Okay, so we have his mouth. Now let's get the ears in place. So we'll start over here with his left ear on the left side of our page. So we'll come from the top here. We'll go out like this, and then it's going to come down. And the location is the part of the ear that comes down is not going to go past his nose. It's going to kind of come down like this, right about here, and then you can come up and curve back in, something like that. And then we'll do something the same on the other side. So you can start about here, come down, and then this side you can do the same. And this will be tilted, so this ear can flap down a little bit lower if you want, like that. And then you can come and meet like this.
I'm making really small ears.
That's all right. There you go. That's good. Okay, now let's start going down. So we'll do the collar of his jacket. So we'll do a round shape like this, and then it'll curve and end where his chin is. And then on the other side, it'll come up higher here because his shoulders are tilted. So we'll come up higher here. We'll do a shoulder collar like this, and then this one will come down and dip in right there. Okay, now see where your center of the head is right here? Let's go over slightly to the right side here. And we'll draw a line, but it can be kind of like a little bit wiggly. Yeah. Okay. And then what we can do is from down here, we can draw a curve this way, and it doesn't have to be right on top of that line. It could be off a little bit. And then we'll come up and kink it almost like a little V shape like that. And then we're going to come in, and his jacket's going to have a little bit of like wrinkles, and I'm going to come up and kind of, you know, wiggle that line a little bit. I'm going to stop right about here. Yep. And then we'll come back down, wiggle it a bit, and we'll stop right about here. So if you drew a line like from this corner, like a real light line like that. Okay. Yep, like right about here, like this. Yeah, this can come like right about there. And then what you can do is you can come do a L shape again, like an upside down V. And then we'll do his cuff, so like that. And then this will come up, and we'll do some more wiggles like this. And then this will come into his shoulder there. And then let's just connect this line here, that little lip that you did there. We'll just connect that like that. And then let's do the same on the other side. So we'll start down here. Okay, and then we'll come and follow this line like that. And then what we can do is we can go up and do almost like a little S shape like this. And it comes up about here. Yep, right there. And then so go back up, actually, yeah, go over here where his collar is. And then we can do like a little U shape. And then we're going to do a shoulder. So it's going to come out like this. And then it's going to kind of come straight down. Maybe have like a little bend in the ruffles of the fabric. And then we'll have this flare out like this a little bit and then come in. Excellent. Now do a second line. So see how far apart these ones are here. We'll try to do the same on that side, the same thickness. Excellent. So we'll leave the hands for a second, and we'll continue with the lower parts where his legs are. So we'll start over here on this side. So you're going to come in somewhere about here. And then see how this leg is on an angle, right? Mm-hmm. So let's go and draw a line and make sure you have some space here. You have enough space. I'm running out of space here, but we can create a shape. So it's going to come down. You're going to hook over, and then you're going to come like this. It's going to look like a little cup that's
like his
tilted.
Legs.
Yeah, that's for his leg. Yeah, looks like a little cup tilted on an angle, so it gets wider at the top. And then right here, we're gonna create like a soft curve that goes like this, and then like that right about here. Okay, almost like in the middle of this side of his jacket, almost like in the middle, right about there. Excellent. Then what we can do is you can come over here and we'll curve this like this. And at the bottom, he's gonna have like a little bit of a bump. And you can see how my legs are kind of lined up, okay? Yeah, okay. Then what you can do is you can come over like this a little bit. So see how wide this is here from here to here? So you can do about the same width on this side. And then this will kind of almost come straight up like that. Okay. So let's finish off the feet. So this line, see this line right here?
Yeah.
So we'll come in a little bit. Cora, right about here, we'll come in and we'll do a smaller cup like this. See that?
For his
That's
leg.
it. Yeah, that's his leg.
His little
And then
leg.
his shoe is going to be a longer cup like this. And then it's going to hook back right there.
He has really big pants, but little shoe.
Little feet. Yep.
Yeah.
And on this side, so we'll follow, see this shape here? We'll kind of come in like we did here. And we'll do a small shape like this. And then we'll do a little shoe over here. It's almost like the side of a shoe. Like this. There you go. All right. So now you see how we have his cuffs for the jacket? Let's do a lower band for the lower part of his jacket here. So you can kind of do this. And on this side, we'll do the same like that. All right, let's go over to the hands because we're missing those. That's the last part that we're missing. So these ones, what we'll do, these ones are a little tricky, but what we'll do is we'll do similar to what we did here with this U for the leg. All right, so we're gonna come down like this, and we're gonna come down like this, and they're gonna taper. So they're gonna kind of come towards each other as you go down that way. And then this hand is gonna have a shape like this. I'm just going to start from the lower side. I'm going to go like this. I'm going to come up with a point. And then I'm going to do something similar. I'm going to come out a little bit more and then up like this. So that's him kind of doing a little shaky dance. There you go. Very good. Awesome. And then on this side, we'll do the same. So about the same on this side. So we'll follow the arms coming like this, right? It's coming down at this angle. So the arm's going to follow. The arm's inside there, right? So it's going to come down like this. And then this one's going to taper like so. And then we're going to start at the bottom here. We're going to do something like this. So that's his like thumb. And I'm going to come up a little bit. And then on this side, he's going to come out this way. And like that. Pointed. Excellent. Now we can add some little ruffles for his shirt, his jacket. You can put a few in there, and then we can put a few more like on his actual jacket. Hey guys, we're trying to get to 100,000 subscribers this year. So please help us out and click that subscribe button down below. We'd really appreciate it. Thanks. Let's grab our Sharpie. And now we're going to pick out the lines that we want. And then everything else we can go ahead and erase. Great work, guys. We just finished our outlines. Now we're going to go and use an eraser and get rid of all of our pencil lines. Let's go ahead and add some color.
Yeah.
So what color are we gonna do, Cora?
We are going to do pink for the skin color, and you're going to do golden for the costume things.
All right, there's our Gunter from Sing 2. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye.
Bye.